Alright, y'all. Back with another video. I know I ain't posted in like forever. I'm sorry. I've been... Oh, put it back on. I ain't been doing nothing. I ain't been doing nothing. Besides school. And baseball. Yeah. Alright. Well, today I'm going to do something that I don't normally do. I'm going to do a package review. Not really a package review, just what I got today, and I'm going to tell y'all what I did. First, I'm going to tell y'all what I did. Okay. So, first, we went to the Sale Barn in BB. And, we went to the Sale Barn. Stuttered. Okay, we went to the Sale Barn. After we went to the Sale Barn, we went to Main Event. It was lit. It was so fun. And we did like everything. It was so fun. Yeah, we went to Main Event. It was lit. My mom grinded this game and got us like 8,000 points. And yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff at the ticket thing. It was like possible to finish all the tickets that we got off. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all what I got. This is what I got. My siblings got a whole bunch of other stuff too. Alright. First, I got this stretchy squirrel. Not squirrel. Rat. It's a rat. It's a type of rodent. Yeah, if you didn't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. It's a stretchy rat. Yeah. Alright. Then, I also got got candy. Also got this thing. I see it on YouTube sometimes and TikTok. Yeah, I'm gonna open it up and show y'all. I'll show y'all when I open it up. It doesn't look that good right now. It like lights up, like I'm sure you saw them before. Like it lights up in the dark. I mean, yeah, it lights up good. But it looks way cooler in the dark. I think I haven't saw it even in the dark. But I think good. Alright, well. On, off. Definitely looks cooler on. Alright. Well, see. Alright. Now, next, I got another candy. Gonna stop. Look. Alright. It has like an emoji on it, the light. Yeah, it's candy too, I think. Yeah. Alright, here's another one. Something nice. I don't know. I think it's cool. A Newton's cradle. You want to see it in action? I love it. It's so satisfying. Oh, I messed that up. Alright. Well, I'll show you the next thing that I got. Still not the last one. It's the second to last one, which honestly might be my favorite. I'm gonna... Boom, boy. Main Event basketball. My basketball that I have at my house, kind of peeling and stuff. It's a leather one. Yeah, it's an indoor basketball, but I use it for outside. I'm a menace. Dennis the Menace. Yep, And it's like, actually, it's a basketball. I'm actually about to post a video of me playing with it with my brother, just, you know, warming up, playing. Yeah. But I'm probably going to post a video of us playing with it if the sun doesn't come down before we can post it. Oh, I can't see nothing. All right. Now, last but not least, it's a game. I don't know. Huh? Yeah, you sling the puck and try to like get it you try to get it in like a little hole. Yeah. It's called puck shoot. Sling to win. Each person start with 5 pucks on their side. Take a puck, pull back with an elastic band, and release. Try to sling pucks through slot in the middle of the board. The first person to launch all their pucks on the opponent's side wins. Yeah. It seems really fun. Yeah. Yep. Seems lit. Serious. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. Oh, did I show you? Yeah, I showed you all that. Oh. I also got this little finger puppet. 2 of them. No.
Are you cute or hot?
Yeah. Oh, that's it, guys. Y'all watch the video that I'm about to post. It's gonna be me like playing basketball with my brother. Probably gonna be pretty boring, honestly. But yeah, y'all watch it. We're not gonna be doing no trick shots or nothing, but we're just gonna be shooting around. It's gonna be pretty fun. But yeah. Oh no, not last but not least. I'm gonna show y'all the last one that I like the most. Well, y'all might be like, Brantley, how are you using both of your hands?
Well, my name is Skylar White, yo.
It's because
My husband is Walter White, yo.
I got a freaking tripod, boys. It is lit, buzz. I like it. What y'all think about it? I like it. Last but not least, yeah. All right. Overall rating of this day, 100 out of 10. So fun. Best day ever. All right, guys. Well, I'll see y'all another day. So, get